and we'll take it a little further. This first one's kind of long, and you may say, what? But I will show you what I mean in a little bit. So, a convex polygon is a polygon if it's convex if no line that contains a side of the polygon passes through the interior of the polygon. Now that's a lot of words, but I'll show you what I mean in just a minute, so just write it down. It's a convex polygon if no line that contains a side of the polygon passes through the interior of the polygon. I know. Just wait. Be patient. All right, concave is, how do you like this for a definition? Not convex.
That's it?
No, I'm going to have you write more, but really it is. Just a little bit. That means the line does pass through the interior. The line does pass through the interior. I always remember it as cave in. Kind of helps me remember which is which, concave and convex. Cave in.
That makes 0 sense.
Just wait. Be patient. Trust me. Okay. All right, equilateral. What does lateral mean when we're talking about shapes? What part of the shape are we talking about? Do you guys know when we're talking about lateral? Are we talking about the angles? I hear it. Somebody's whispering. Be bold. Sides. Thank you. We're talking about the sides. Lateral means we're talking about the sides. Okay? All sides are congruent. All sides are congruent if it's equilateral. What are we talking about if it says angular? The angles. It's talking about the angles. All angles are congruent. Does anybody know what criteria has to be met to have a regular polygon? Guesses? Okay, I'll just write it down. Both equilateral and equiangular. If it meets both of those, then it's called a regular polygon. In your homework, I don't want you to write equal sides. What do I want you to write? Equilateral. I don't want you to write equal angles. What do I want you to write? Equiangular. Everybody say it. Equiangular. It's a weird word. But you got to get used to using the language of the geometry. It's not too hard. Equilateral, equiangular. Okay? All right. You have 2 sheets. Hopefully you have this one sheet that you picked up as well. This one right here. Yes?
Yeah.
This really goes well with the notes, so we're going to do piece by piece. What I want you to do is I want you to answer the warm-up questions, and I want you to do 1 through 8 on this CUDA worksheet. Oh my word, just stay with me. Okay, so answer these and do 1 through 8. You can talk to somebody, it doesn't have to be on your own. All right, so what I set up here, if we have to decide if it's convex or concave, if no line that contains the side of the polygon passes through the interior of the polygon, then it's convex. If it does, then it's concave. So I want you to take, and I want you to draw a line that passes through this side and just keeps going. Uh-oh. Look at what happens right here. What happens there? The line goes through the interior of the polygon. So if I do it again over here, oh, look, it goes through the interior of the polygon. Therefore, it's not convex, but it's what? Concave. This is concave. Now, the other way you can look at it is the side sort of caves in. Cave in. It's another way to look at it. All right, let's check this one. Boom. Nope, doesn't go through the interior. Nope, doesn't go through the interior. Nope. Nope. Oh, we're good. So this is a what? Convex. Convex polygon. Okay? Now what I want you to do is I want you to try 9 through 14 on that sheet. Same idea, 9 through 14. Practice this convex versus concave. Do the exact same thing on those shapes. Do you agree? Okay, cool. Turn it over. Let's combine. We're going to talk whether it's concave and or convex and whether it's a regular polygon. So this first one, Lois Ann, is this convex or concave in your opinion? It's convex. There's no caving in. If I drew lines, it wouldn't go through the interior at all. Serena, is that a regular polygon?
Yeah,
How do you know that?
because all the angles and the sides are.
Okay, what's the geometric way of saying that? Using those words on the other side.
Equilateral and equiangular.
Thank you, Serena/Sava.
Oh, there you
Yes.
go.
Perfect. That's good. It's good. You're right. That's what I was looking for. Okay. All right. How about this one? Justin T. Is this a convex or concave?
Oh, I know this one.
It is convex. And Evan, is it a regular polygon? Be careful. Look closer. It's equilateral, right? It's equilateral. I want you to write this down. But is it equiangular? No. So it's not regular, not equiangular. Is that a lot of writing? Yes, but
Why would I do that?
it's not that painful.
So I don't have to write.
So it's not a regular polygon.
What?
I was asking if it's a regular polygon. It's not a regular polygon. It's equilateral, but it's not equiangular. Okay, this is exactly the same. All right, Lexi, is this convex or concave? It is concave. If you're not sure, you can do your little test. You'll see it goes through the interior. This is why you're not sitting next to each other.
We're talking
This
about
is fun.
baseball. Sorry.
Yeah, it's concave. Can you just move till we're done, please? Would you say this is a regular polygon or not? Why not? Okay, the sides are equal, but it's not what? Right. It's equilateral. It's not irregular. I'm going to say no. It's equilateral, but not equiangular. Okay? This is what you need to write for those few questions in your homework. I want you to use those words. All right. So, now this last part here. Let's talk about these. Those of you that have your driver's license or are about to get your driver's license, does anybody remember what a yield sign looks like?
Yield.
What is it? What? What's the shape? It's a triangle, upside down triangle, right? Okay, is that convex or concave? It is a regular polygon. It looks kind of like this. So let's. Okay, this is sort of what mine looked like. Did you get something like that?
Yeah.
One side has to cave in a little bit, right? It doesn't say it has to be regular, but it has to have 6 sides and it has to be concave. All right?
That really doesn't matter. That's-
Okay, so your practice, which you have almost a half an hour, which is plenty of time.